What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete Google account permanently. Sometimes we might need to delete our Google account, so let's get right into it. For that one, head over to your Gmail, go to your Gmail application, make sure you have logged in into the desired account on which you just want to delete that. So just head over to the profile by clicking the profile icon and click on manage your Google account. There goes the details. Now go to data and privacy and scroll down until you see an option delete a Google service. Sometimes people get confused right here that they think that by deleting a Google service, your Google account is deleted, but no. It just deletes the specific Google service, like your account on YouTube or Play Store or any other application. So as we want to delete our whole Google account, just scroll a little bit down and you will see an option of delete your Google account. And here it goes. Click on delete your Google account. Here goes the option or interface on deleting your Google account. You can just download your data before deleting your account and scroll down until you see that these options. Just check mark on it and click on delete account. Once you click on it, your account will be deleted. And as I don't want to delete my one, so I'm just clicking on it. Make sure you check these both options and then click on delete account. And yeah, this is how you can delete your Google account. Hope this video will help you out and consider giving it a like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.